Hello. We were saddened this morning when we looked outside the house because one of our cats died. We don't know the reason yet. Crazy Bob is sad. There's Crazy Bob. He's sad.
Hello! I'm sad. My cat is dead.
One of his favorite cats died today. Still have to figure out what happened. Hello, my name is Ma'am Shao.
Bonjour, mon nom c'est CrazyBob's. Bienvenue sur notre channel.
Welcome to our channel. We just arrived from the grocery. Yeah, look, the sad Crazy Bob today.
I'm sad. Yes, my cat is dead.
Yeah, so I'm going over to where we put the cat. Let's show you around. And while papunta ako dun sa burial ground, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, and kindly press the notification button so that you can get updated sa mga uploads ko. So we don't know what happened to our cat, but she's been sick already, so maybe it's also the factor. We just didn't know because all the cats here at home are outdoor. So there's four here in the garden, and then the two in front. So there she is. We already covered. And then this is the burial ground of our pets. So the previous cats and dogs are here. Bird on that side with the angel. Look, the other cat is mourning. Hey, Pom Pom, your friend died. Huh? Your friend Shozett died. You didn't look after her? Huh? Hey, Shozett. Hey, Pom Pom. Huh? Look. Oh. What you do? So this cat Pom Pom, we call him Pom Pom. He always stay here behind the house in the garden. Look, let's see what he'll do. Pom Pom, he's already dead. Okay. He said goodbye to his friend Chausette. So, going back this morning, I was shocked when I saw her. I was feeding the cats, and then I noticed Chausette. She was not there. Normally, it's her who sumasalubong sa akin pag open ko ng door. And then it's only the black cat there. And when I look at the other side there, I found Chausette lying on the ground. And we thought that it's the car of CrazyBob's son nakahit. But then when I touch Chausette, her body is already stiff, matigas na. So we don't think it's the car naka-hit, naka-ano sa kanya, how do you call that, nakadaan sa kanya. And there's our other cat here. Hey, Maxo Dudu, you know what happened to Chausette? Huh? Come here. You want to see? No, it's okay. Yeah. So, this is Maxo Dudu. Ito yung pinaka mabait. This one, Pompom also is mabait. Kaso, pag hinawakan mo siya ng matagal, nang i-scratch, yun yung parang lambing niya. Scratch, kaya ayaw ko sa kanyang, takot ako sa kanya. Hey, Pompom. Yeah. So, that's it for this morning. Namatayan kami ng pusa. So, right now we already have, we now have 5 cats. So 4 dito na area, and then there's one more left in front. So nakakalungkot. My brother-in-law is coming home later, so I'm sure he's going to be sad because it's his favorite cat also. That's it. See you later, everyone. Bye.